All right, welcome to the new update of PipeUp. So we have a couple of good updates. So let's go right into it. First off, we have 41 new problems added. So those are for linked list paths. So we have about 20 of them, as well as if we go to the tree, then we have about like 19 problems. So those two add up to about 40 new problems. I think I'm gonna focus on the binary search topic next, but we'll see. We'll try to keep adding more and more problems from now on. But also, we've been developing a couple of new features. So you might have already noticed, but on our login section, we have added login with Google. So we can use this to log in with our Google account, and there we go. So this works as you would expect if you already have a Gmail account which is associated to your username. You don't have to type in your password. Then it basically kind of merges your account. It's not really merging. It's just you are that account holder, right, because of the Gmail. So it just works as you might expect. Besides that, I have also added, if we go to problems, likes and replies and stuff like that, basically like threading. So we can dislike it, like it, and then if this also shows red as already liked, right? So if I click refresh, and this will show as 4 red likes, which because I've already liked it, right? Pretty standard stuff. And also for the replies, I can just type my replies, and I can also like those. So I can type another reply. Let's just say 2. Let's just say 3, and it just works like that. And then I can just delete these, right? So let's just delete this. Cool. So those are the major updates that you can see, but also we've made significant improvements on the background as well. So previously, PipeUp didn't have a server-side rendering. So what that means is, in terms of like search engine optimization as well as like initial page loading, it was kind of bad for a PipeUp, but now it's significantly better. So the reason why is that is because PipeUp is written by Angular, right? So Angular is a single page application JavaScript framework, which means that you have to download all the JavaScript files in order to see the website. All right. So with the server-side rendering enabled, you don't have to do that. We're reading HTML files, so that makes it significantly faster, as well as in terms of like search engine optimization, it makes it much better because those Google bots or Bing bots and stuff like that, those cannot read JavaScript really well, so they can read HTML really good, right? So those are going to be major improvements. So for hopefully our search ranking would increase by this improvement, and you can just experience, right? Though these pages, they load significantly faster, like on the initial loads. So hopefully that increased our user experience significantly. So I mean, mine did for sure. So that's about it for this week's update, and we'll see you on next week's update then.